Hey YouTube, Mitch with the I-95 Muscle. Got a 67 Nova SS for you today. 283. Really good paint job. Nothing to complain about with paint job or body work. There is a cow induction hood, disc brake conversion. The rest of the car is pretty well original. It's a true SS car. I'll show you the data plate and let you run it. Console, bucket seat, steering wheel. Bear with me, the hood is a two-hander. There you go. Aluminum intake. It's like Edelbrock carb. It does have the disc brakes like we said, but no power brakes, no power steering. This is how the car came. Heat looks like it's hooked up. There's your data plate. Feel free to pause the video, run whatever numbers you want. 67, so it is pretty easy to decode. We'll take it for a quick spin and then finish taking pictures for the website. Remember all the lights, blinkers, work on this car. Hit our wipers here. If I can figure out how to turn them off now. Aw, what a rookie. There we go. And radio is original. I don't think it works. Not getting anything out of it. All the heat stuff works. Automatic. 2-speed PowerGlide from the factory. Stop straight, doesn't pull the steering wheel either way. Horn even works. All right, and we'll park it like this to finish taking the pictures. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks a lot.